I'm Ainsley.
I'm Hannah. What's in the box?
What's in the box? We're about to show you. It's Ainsley and Hannah, and we are doing our first YouTube style video, and we're gonna be unpacking. Drum roll, please.
Oh, right.
Nightmare box of 2024.
They're not called capsules.
Oh, Nightmare Collection Capsules.
Collection capsules. A new one this year. I don't even know what's in this box.
You can only get limited edition things in this box. We got that capsule for you.
ASMR.
Today we're gonna be opening the Nightmare Collection 2024 capsule, and I hope you guys really enjoy.
I don't even know what's in. 5 shirts in here.
Plus a limited edition sticker. And the box glows in the dark. The box motherfucking glows in the dark, guys. We're gonna open this baby up. Open it up.
Oh, I'm just kidding. Smack. This is what the inside looks like. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that purple.
Right? Look at how, like, this glows in the dark. This is the limited edition sticker that you get with the box. And it's one of the shirts in here as well. I like this sticker. It's bigger than last year, guys. It's bigger than last year. This
Bigger
is
and better.
We're always getting things bigger and better because everything is better when it's bigger. They upgraded the box.
Glow in the dark?
Yeah. Have we seen this? I love the purple. Cinco. We got five Sullen tees that you can only get in a box.
Okay.
If you want to shop for this box, you know you guys can shop online at stellargear.ca.
Plugged it.
Last year's box, guess what? It's on sale for 30% on the website. You're getting 5 shirts for the price of 4, and you get a limited edition sticker.
And the box?
And the box glows in the dock.
Same as the box.
It's Nightmare 24.
Same as the sticker.
Yep, this is the main attraction shirt. Like, this is what I'm super excited.
And the Nightmare Collection tag as well.
I love that. It's silvery and so shiny. Most of Sullen's tags are actually stickers, too.
Anyway, this is the shirt.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Look
god,
at her. Oh my god, I'm loving this.
Look at him at the bottom.
It's a little, I was gonna say, it's a snack.
Snicky.
I'm a little slithery. I'm a little snack. A little slithery, little snack.
The top, Sullen Art Collective, in them pretty words. That's like a pink, like
yeah, a magenta,
radiant,
lavender.
going down into a lighter pink.
What does it say? Nightmare Collection. I got the Nightmare Collection.
Ooh, the reveal? No.
It's him.
I am him.
I am him. He is I. Invested. Is that what that says?
Infested. Infested with
It's infested with sick art, guys. Infested.
Ooh.
Ooh. Are we seeing that? It's like the skull's infested with a spider.
And it's coming out. She's trying to escape.
It's like crawling out of the
And you
mouth.
see like
it's got the
hands
webs
too.
Rah!
Throughout the skull. Sullen Art Collective.
We got the teardrops on this side. We got the little logo over here. I don't know if y'all can see that. We'll go slowly down.
Yes.
And there's the little front hit. Boom, boom, boom. I'm loving the detail with this. It's giving, you know what's that? Is it Hand? Is that what the name is from the Addams Family? Like Hand?
Oh yeah,
like it almost looks like, you know what I mean?
The little hand. Dark cathedrals.
Cathedrals.
This is the back. Oh, this is the back. Oh my god, it's giving
Darkness.
death.
It's giving
death.
Death.
You know,
To death do us part.
look at the logo, Sullen.
It almost looks like a little bat.
Oh yeah.
You know?
It's dripping.
It's drippy, guys. It's drippy. Come get your new drip from
get your
Stellar
drip.
Gear in Saskatoon.
And the skull man. Well, who is this?
It's someone.
Someone important.
Yeah, and Sullen. And it's
Sullen.
It's
And he's-
super spooky.
He's giving. It's giving scary. We're gonna go.
Ooh.
I can't even see what I'm doing.
You're good.
Yeah. The Sullen logo at the top again too. I like the way they did the letters this time. And it's also like a gradient going down on the letters, darker to light.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Guts is the next shirt. Guts. Gaga, guts.
Gaga.
Gaga, I'm going goo-goo for Gaga. Let's see this. Guts. Survey says, ooh, okay.
Oh my god, the guts are everywhere.
Is it supposed to be organs? Oh my god, it looks like it is. Look, it's like your little intestine. It's like your intestine.
Your intestines are...
It's your skull made of flesh.
And then your intestines all over the
shirt.
The shirt.
Got some wings. Got some little horns up in here.
Orange.
I like that.
Sullen.
It's
like
peach.
Look at the little skull at the bottom too. It's the Art Collective, but it's like the normal logo, but it's more detailed and it's fleshy at the bottom. Fleshy man on the on the front.
He's got his fleshy meat on his skull. Afterlife, it's a glow in the dark tee, guys. The Sullen collection, because it's got a little pumpkin on there.
And it's also a sticker. This one's a sticker.
So
you get 2 stickers.
And the reveal.
Oh, Grim Reaper.
It's the Grim Reaper.
Life after death.
It's got Sullen Art Co. Right there.
What I mean when I say Ghostbusters, when I think about this green, is that one gooey guy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, what's his name? He looks like a little booger. He looks like a little boogie.
I can't remember, but that's what this reminds me. Like the color scheme.
Ghostbusters.
That's why I said that.
Mystical
swooshies
kind of.
It also has the dead people in like the corners, some of the corners of the
Wait,
shirt right
you know
there.
in Hercules, is that like the cartoon Hercules where they like have that thing and they like, it's like all the dead people?
Yeah.
That's what it's giving. It's giving the like the dead people that are stuck in that little pool. Like that's the vibes I'm getting from this.
My friend has the art, like the Sullen logo, which would be, you know,
the standard, the classic.
But it's not. But it's spookied it up.
It's spookied it up. It kind of looks like that fleshy meat, but not fleshy and meaty. It's more like greeny and grimy.
Grimy and greeny, yeah, that's what this one is.
Guys, thank you for tuning in to our first YouTube video. Like YouTube style, like not just a little short little video, but like an actual longer.
More details to go over.
Yeah, you know what? We appreciate you. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you made it all the way through. If you didn't, I see you.
We covered everything.
We covered everything, you know.
That you needed to know about the
Nightmare
box.
The brand new Nightmare box. If you guys like what you see and you want more updates, click the subscribe button. It'll be somewhere. I don't know where it is because, you know, we don't know where YouTube does it yet. But
I think it goes up in this corner.
Yeah.
Right here.
Right here. Yeah. And if you guys want to stay up to date, we post reels every day with lots of new stuff that's coming in. And if you want to follow us on any of our other stuff, it's Stellar Gear everywhere. And if you guys want to shop online,
stellargear.ca.
yeah, you can do in-store pickup or we'll ship it out to you. Just to you.
Just to you.
Just to you. You guys already know what we're about to do. That's a wrap!